Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 Kia Rio 2. This car comes with a 1.4 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 56 miles per gallon, an insurance group of 7 and just £35 a year to road tax. This is a one owner vehicle and the mileage is just over 5,000 miles, and the car's been serviced 7 times by Kia in that time, so really impressive service history. This particular colour is called Urban Blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As you'd expect for a 5,000 mile car, you've got the really nice clean interior. The driver has an armrest in the centre, and the car also has air conditioning, Bluetooth for your phone, and also electric folding door mirrors and the 4 electric window controls there on the door card. In the 5-door version of the Rio, you have the 3 individual seat belts in the back there. Lots of legroom for rear passengers, and they also have the nets in the back of the front seats as well. And as we open the tailgate on the Rio, you've got the nice deep boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And also the blue space saver wheel there as well, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with daytime running lights and also front fog lights, as well as the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance of just 9.9%. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.